Okay, and we're looking at example 5 on page 406, and it's kind of a long word problem, so try not to freak. And we're just going to pull out the math. And it says a hat store tracks the sale of college and professional teams. So we have a college and a professional team, okay? And so we have two teams. And M is for months. M is equal to months. And so, anyways, they ask you the number of college hats sold is represented by, so college, let me change the color. College is 6M plus 3. And that's a linear expression there. And the number of professional hats is, let's go back up here, is 5M minus 2. All right, so we pulled out some math. We know that M equals the month, and we know that there are two teams that they're comparing. So the college team is represented by 6 months plus 3, and the professional is 5 months minus 2. And so they're asking you to write an expression to show how many more. So you're comparing, and they want you to tell you more, so you're subtracting. Hats were sold than the college hats than the professional hats. So college hats here is more. So it's going to be 6M plus 3 minus 5M minus 2. Okay, and so this gets a little bit tricky, but it follows along what we've been doing. And so this negative affects every term inside that parentheses. So it's -1 times 5 would be -5M, and negative times that would be a +2. And so bring it on over here, and we get -5M plus 2. Line up your like denominators, and we'll switch pens again. So you had a positive and a negative, different signs. So you subtract, and you get an 1M, and it's positive, and we can get rid of the 1. And here it would be 5. So the expression would be 6M plus 3 minus 5M minus 2. And you'll, that's right up there. And then they ask you to evaluate it. And then they say that you solve it, M plus 5, and we're back down here. And M equals 10. And I'm getting this from the book. It says, then evaluate the expression if M equals 10. So remember, we solved it. So M is 10. Oops. Let's start over. M plus 5. And remember our big S word, S substitute. So M is 10, so you put it in here, and it is 15. And the answer would be, so there are 15 more college team hats were sold than professionals. And this is a real mess. We'll make sure we go over this in class, but see if you can follow along. It isn't too hard. So you simplify the expression, then they give you the value of M, so you go back and substitute in. Thank you. Bye-bye.